How to fix Cash App NFC tag detected. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App NFC tag detected. The first step is to go to the settings of your phone. The tutorial is the same, although different phones may have different settings layouts. Once you are in your phone settings, look for an option named Connections. As you can see, mine appears here. You may appear somewhere else on the page. Once you tap on it, you will see many options related to connections. From them, the one we need is this one here named NFC and contactless payments. Make sure you tap on it just like I have done here. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. As you can see, this page appears. This is where you turn on and off the NFC feature. So yours must be turned on because that was the reason it was sending notifications. What you have to do is to turn it off by tapping on this toggle button here, just like you can see me doing here. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to fix Cash App NFC tag detected.